You switched on. Oh, it's died.
Has it gone?
Nope. It's alive.
Right, this is what I need to do now.
It died.
It'll still be on.
It's impressive. Have you got a screen or something on it? Is that why it's off?
Yeah, it's starting to fuck up already.
Trying to open it.
No, it's not liking that. It won't turn on or off now. Die.
I don't know if it's because it's water.
It's not dying.
That ain't working.
No.
That's all it needs, it's fucked now.